So what is the difference between 4x4 wood pressure treated fence posts and 2 3/8 round steel fence posts? Stay tuned, I'll show you. Hey guys, John at Fix-A-Fence here, January 2023, here in Portland, Oregon. Of course, you guys already know that. So, but anyway, I've been taking some classes online about filmmaking. Yeah, go figure, filmmaking. Well, I got a YouTube channel, so I got to figure out what I'm doing here, right? Anyway, yeah, and so if you've been tuning into this channel, you know, since I started it back in 2010, you know, I want to thank you so much for taking the ride with me here, Fix-A-Fence LLC, you know, so yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Anyway, hey, I wanted to give you guys a comparison video today on 4x4 wood posts versus 2 3/8 round steel fence posts. Now, I got a couple laid out here. Here's the 4x4 wood post. I took this off of a job because it broke. You know, obviously it broke up there and it broke down here. You know, I kind of guess that's kind of what I'm getting, you know, is these 4x4s seem to break. More so nowadays than not, but regardless, you know, you guys, I'm sure plenty of you guys out there know what's going on, and I don't need to reiterate on that. It broke. I could show you a new one, you know, it's no big deal. They're gonna rot, guys. It's gonna rot. I mean, here in Oregon it does, because people put debris up against their fence line, you know, and it saturates. Wind comes along, it knocks it down. I've been doing this a while. Steel posts here though, guys. 2 3/8 round steel posts. That thing's not going to break. Okay, so steel post versus wood post. Here's the result here, obviously, and you know, I know this is brand new, but it's not going to break. It's not going to rust. Well, at least it shouldn't rust. And if it does, it probably won't rust out before this guy rots out. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you a little look, see, I'm sure you guys already know all this stuff though too, so no big deal. It's just a little simple comparison video here versus for wood post versus a 2 3/8 round steel fence post. And I think I'm going to come up with another video here to show you some of these brackets I got to adapt for the 2 3/8 round steel fence posts for wood fence. So stay tuned for that one too. I just made up a list of videos I'm going to make for you guys, and so I'm going to work hard at staying true to my word and come up with these videos and keep this video channel running, you know, so, or this YouTube channel, fence channel, whatever you want to call it, running, you know, and so bringing you guys fresh content. And today was the first step, 2023, a little bit more fresh content. A comparison video for 4x4 versus a 2 3/8. Something so simple, but hey, stay tuned, keep smiling, have a great day.